Hey you guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be doing another wig tutorial from UNICE Hair. Inside the bag it came with 2 HD wig caps and an elastic band and also a double face edge brush. Last but not least, a pack of double-sided adhesive hair tape. This curly unit is a Jerry Curly plus finger quill ends, and the lace size is 7 by 5 pre-bleach knots, and the length in this wig is 24 inches.
be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. I'm long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on the scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to be. That's why you didn't got left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. I'm long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Oh, without you. I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me, when it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on back to you. See, my days are cold without you, and though my heart can't take no more, no more, no more.
Okay, you guys, so I'm back 2 days later after rocking this wig, so I can give you my honest opinion on this unit to see if would you buy it or would you pass on it. So here are the deets on this wig, in my opinion. So first of all, in the video you guys saw me using the adhesive two-sided tape. Now my opinion on this, I feel like it's a bit of a struggle. It was a little bit of a struggle as I put it on and I was trying to attach it. It was sticking to my fingers and my wrists and stuff. It just wouldn't stay. So I currently don't have them on, just to let you guys know. So I left these out. Are they necessary? It was worth the try to me. Secondly, in the video, I had trouble laying down the edges of the lace. It kept lifting, so I had to go in with a little bit of adhesive glue. I know it was going to be strictly got to be glue, but I had to add the little adhesive glue to help hold it down, and it came out very seamless, as you can see, and I loved it, so it worked. Next, you guys saw me do a risky chop. It was all just to frame my face because I could not have that long hair in the front, so I like this one better, and it was worth the risky chop because I am not a professional, but it was a risk I had to take, and I'm glad I took. As far as the fullness of this wig, now it looks pretty full when it's wet, but when it's poofy, you can see through it. I don't like curly, poofy hair to be seen through. I feel like there was some hair missing. I feel like they could have put a little bit more hair in the back area and just kept the same in the front, but hey, that's my opinion. The products I used was some water in a spray bottle, Ebin New York 24-hour tamer setting foam. This one actually worked best. I did try some Lolly Body at first, but it didn't hold, so this one actually did a good job. Then after doing the foaming, I did go in with some sheen, some pink sheen for the shine, and that was about it. This is what it looks like. The curls are nice and juicy too. I like it, despite everything I said, but it's nice and fluffy. I like it. Now here's the kicker. I ordered coils at the end of my unit. The Jerry curl in coils, I didn't get that. I got a basic curly wig. I tried wetting it to give it back. It was not giving. So I did try a method by twisting around my finger. It did kind of give that, but that's not exactly what I ordered. I didn't order to coil it myself, is what I'm saying. That's all I have for this wig. The wig is nice, but would I buy another one like this? Alright, you guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.